Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Keyboard or Language and Input. This gets you to the control panel that changes Autocorrect. Once there, tap the keyboard app you use, for example, Gboard or the default keyboard. Make sure the keyboard is active under Input Methods. This ensures your changes apply. Now, enter the keyboard's preferences where autocorrect and text correction options are kept, so you can modify behavior at the source rather than guessing. You now navigate into text correction or smart typing. This is where the real options live. Tap autocorrection to cycle through off, mild, or aggressive. Choose based on how often you want replacements. Then, review suggestions and next word suggestions. Turn off items that interrupt your flow. Also, add frequent names or jargon to your personal dictionary and remove or block problematic entries so the keyboard stops changing them in future messages. You finish by testing in a messaging app. Type sample words and sentences to confirm the new behavior. If autocorrect still misfires, make sure you save settings, then try clearing the keyboard app cache or data. This resets learned suggestions. Once done, restart your phone to finalize changes. If problems persist, uninstall updates or reinstall the keyboard app and reconfigure. This often removes stubborn issues. If nothing helps, switch to an alternative keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.